Hi, I'm Matt from J&M Electrobikes, and in today's video I want to share with you a quite unique custom wrap that we've done on a customer's TC Max. You can see just behind me here a reminder of what the standard TC Max looks like, but let's have a look at the custom work that we've done for this customer.
As we ride with Nigel Mansell, you see his helmet just on the left hand side, that is Beckett's corner.
Well, here we have FW14B. They've done a superb job, there's no question about that.